This video intends to show users how to collect and generate reports on all of the materials used within a project, with a look at how the user can set prices for their cost reports. However, it will begin with a look at the Excel reporting, a new feature introduced in the 2018 version. Excel reporting collects all of the materials and produces a report in one operation, unlike the subsequent reporting methods. Go to the Output tab and select Excel Lists. You can then select from either structural or architectural report types. Within each are their own respective lists. Select the one required and click OK. Vertex will then collect all of the pieces and open up an Excel report. Alternatively, the old method is still available and is a relatively simple two-step process. The first step is to collect all of the materials within a given project. This is achieved via the Collect Materials command in the Output tab of the ribbon. Next, you can choose which active draw model pairs the materials are collected from. In this example, the All button will be pressed to quickly select all active modeling pairs. Then click OK. BD will then collect all of the materials used within the project, collating them into the Collected Materials database. This database contains all of the information for the materials, and this information will vary dependent on the material type. There is also an option to see where a material is used in the 3D model. To do this, highlight the piece you want to find and click the Trace button. The piece will then be highlighted green in the 3D model. Confirm to go back to the database. The database can be closed by clicking OK. Now, if further materials are added to the project, then the Collect Materials command will need to be run again. However, should you just wish to access the Collected Materials database without updating, then this can be accessed from the System Settings Collect Materials menu. The next step is to generate the report itself. Again, found in the Output tab, go to the Reports command. The Report Format window will open with a list of available reports, which will depend on your customization, as further reports can also be developed and added here. In the basic installation, there are various different report types, ranging from costing reports, cutting lists, and summary lists. Many also have the option of outputting in Excel format rather than the standard text file outputs. Simply choose the report to use and click OK. BD will then run a query on the Collected Materials database based on whatever conditions are specified by that particular report type. A new Collected Materials database displaying the queried information will be shown. Simply click OK and this information will be gathered into the report. Reports are automatically saved into the Reports folder within the root directory of the project. However, they can be quickly accessed from the project document browser. When using the cost estimating reports, it may be necessary to adjust the prices of materials to suit the current costs of the local market. This can be done via the Material Register found in the System tab in the BOM menu. Price can be altered per material type in the Prices tab. This concludes our video on reporting. Thank you for watching.